Inside this box there are accessories and models that you might have seen here and there on the web. This box came from Canada from a very small company called Dry Docks Models and Parts. They offer arsenal quality accessories like ropes, deadeyes, blocks, and models. And when I found them on the internet by pure chance, I couldn't believe it was possible to make these products in series with such a quality. So let's start with the blocks. As you know, it takes a lot of time and effort to make them to a decent quality, so you can imagine how surprised I was when I saw them on the internet. They look pretty appropriate and each of them seems identical to the other. No evident defect except for this little bump, which I guess is the cutting point. Not all of them have it. Not a big deal, I would say, nothing that can be solved with an X-Acto knife. The hole is done at 1/5 of the total length, which is great. When I make the blocks by myself, I only drill one hole, because just one is used. Here we have two holes in all the blocks, even the 2 mm ones, which is almost impossible to do by hand. These two holes simulate the pulley inside. I personally make the pulley only when the block is around 8 mm or more. Let's now have a look at the ropes. So in the website you can find a black colored rope, which I don't recommend in general, as ropes would never be colored black at any point in time. You know how much time I spend on working the ropes. I usually make them by myself, I color them and then I wax them. I use only pure high quality cotton as well. The material used for these ones is cotton. Colors are quite nice. You can also see the typical Z shape of most of the ropes present in almost any vessels of any era, which indicates the rope was correctly twisted. Not only that, but also the turns on the thread are not loose. They were twisted with a proper tension as well, and this shouldn't be taken for granted. I don't think these are walks though, but they seem to take the given shape pretty well. In any case, you can shape some of them if you like, using walks, like the ropes for the Jeep, for example. So in the box I also have a couple of interesting accessories. This that you see here is a complete cannon set, and I also have a ship galley. In the website you can find these in different scales. In the box, I also have the small Dano-Norwegian Navy gunship Axel Thorsen of 1810, and this is quite strange. We are not used to building ship this way. So the box contains a hull made of a 3D printed resin, which I guess is used to help us with the hull planking, and then we've got all the other accessories to build a model. Instruction seems very basic, I must say, so I will give it a shot maybe in another video. So guys, this is all for now. I hope you liked this video. Did you know about dry dock models and parts? Did you have the chance to buy their products? If not, would you give it a try? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thank you, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.